Welcome to We Record. We actually have a great video for today. We're actually the midpoint. This is lesson number 5, where we get into recording software, instruments, and Logic Pro. Without that further ado, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is close out the session. I'm going to make a new session, and again I'm using a software instrument this time. I'm going to select 2 tracks. I'm going to just hit create. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to highlight that one. I'm going to hit X to open up the mixer view down here. And you see I already have Alchemy selected. So if you actually click on this icon right here, you'll be able to select the other instruments. Or if you open up Sculpture, which is a modeling synthesizer. But I don't want to use that. I want to actually just use Alchemy. And again, we'll do a whole nother lesson on this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just sample it to make sure I'm getting sound through. Also, let me show you something. Again, just a reminder, you always want to save your sessions. So notice how, well, before, remember in previous videos, I didn't have this selected. Well, you want to make sure that you have Alchemy audio data selected, because otherwise it won't save with your project. So you want to make sure save that. I'm not going to save it because I'm not going to really record anything. So you could actually sample different sounds over here. Click on these different sounds. And if you're using a MIDI controller, it should just pop up. But if you don't have a MIDI keyboard, you could hit Command K and you'll get this. You could actually play on the keyboard as well. So you could click on it, or you could just hit the letter on to get those sounds. Or if you click on this button here, you could actually get this icon. But I have a MIDI keyboard, so I'm just gonna use that. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. Try come up with a bass line. All right, so I'll probably just record that. And again, this is just to show you how you would do that. So as usual, you hit record, or what you could do is hit R, which is a shortcut. Once you have the channel enabled, see this record enable up here. So, and you see in sound on that, hit R, and whenever you're ready. And just hit stop when you're ready. And you can just play that back. And that's pretty much it. And again, obviously in other videos we get more detail. You could actually, if I double click on this MIDI, on this track right here, you'll see that I have the ability to click. This is your MIDI editor. We get more detail with that. But the cool thing, I'll just show you something real quick. So I could actually move these notes around. All right, I could actually extend them out. So watch what happens when I play this back now. Oh. Hold on 1 second, lost my, too many things going on. So I was just to rewind that section back, listen to it. I could change the notes around. I make it sound like complete garbage, or make it sound perfect. So hey, watch this. I'm gonna play it back now. Listen how it sounds so much different. So the beauty with using this part is that even if what you record, it sounds like garbage, or you may have messed up, you could actually just move it around. It's pretty easy. It's pretty cool. But we'll do a whole nother lesson on this. Don't want to make it too confusing for you, but just wanted to give you a introduction into recording software instruments. So again, I appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a nice big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to that channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.